Hi, we are at Anu Govind's house. We will be checking out on the Usha Mahalingam method. It was done about how many days?
2 weeks.
Exactly 2 weeks back. We'll see the progress. So we had two baskets. So this is where we put fully done compost at the bottom, and then we started layering, say about 1 inch layer of pickle, and then we sprinkled some of the compost, and then finally we topped it up. So we're going to open it now. Moment of truth. Let's see. Okay, that was simple. Time it was not. And if you take a look at the paper, I don't know if the camera is catching it. Actually, this will make it probably visible. The top layer has become kind of brown, and the bottom layers, you can probably see the difference. This means moisture has passed through it and evaporation has happened on it. So quite a bit of moisture would have gone. And so far I don't see any flies, insects, maggots around it, and there's absolutely no smell. So once we open now, we'll see. Now that is the top layer, so we'll dig in and see what has happened. The level has gone down significantly. It was almost full, so now it has gone down by about say 4 inches, 3.5, say 3 inches. It has gone down by 3 inches. Yeah. So I see a lot of white fungus in this. The bigger pieces are still there, but there's still some white fungus on this, as you can see. So it's continuing to break down, and it's quite dry. Some pieces are still
Yeah, it's kind of crumbling.
and the smell is, yeah, it is crumbling. It's crumbling and breaking down.
Yeah.
See. Slight pickle smell is still there. Actually, you can get rid of it. So there's a strong moist earth smell as well as a very faint pickle smell. This was brinjal or sweet lime. The color has become dark.
Yeah. Could be
This definitely wasn't.
pomegranate.
Yeah, pomegranate. See, the hard shell has become soft. It's just breaking up. Yeah, probably we can check in another week instead of 2 weeks. That will be fully done. But I'm hardly getting any pickle,
Yeah.
pickle particles. The smell is very, very faint.
See, hardly.
Yeah, hardly. I mean, you really have to be sensitive
Yeah.
to get the pickle smell.
No, that muddy earth kind of.
Yeah, muddy earth is what Anu is saying. So, in fact, at this stage also, I can probably put it in the garden.
Okay.
It will continue to break down. I mean, everything has become soft. See this? So I'm always holding it above the camera. So this is a banana stem. It is usually very hard. See how easily it is coming out without any pressure at all or force. So
Mix it and leave it, is it?
I'm just going right. I mean, mixing I don't think is necessary because there's plenty of air in this. But I'm digging in to see what is happening on the bottom layers. And as you can see, the bottom layers are also equally good. Yeah, hardly any. So this newspaper and layering in a bamboo basket definitely has brought good results. So what do you say? It's a success, or?
Yeah, I think it's good. We'll just see how the results go for another week, and I think.
But this is
That's
quite ready
really well,
to
yeah.
use in a garden.
Okay.
And over a period of time, these things will continue to break down because of the fungus and all. So you don't really have to sieve it.
Okay.
You can use it like this in the potting mix. So good, Usha Mahalingam, you rock.
Made mixing really easy now.
Mixing is eliminated.
Eliminated actually.
Yeah. God bless you and your family. Should we take a look at the other one? The half done one?
Yeah. Over that side.
Not too sure. That has done better, right? The other one? Or
Yeah.
you think?
The makeup look same. And smell wise, it's okay.
That smells like earth.
Same.
So it does smell like earth. Everything has not become powder,
Yeah.
but very easily they are breaking up. See? Hardly any effort. Again, very faint pickle smell. Very faint. I mean, you really have to be. Are you getting the pickle smell?
No, I'm
I'm the only
getting
one who's getting it because I'm very sensitive with smells. And if you do it this way, folks, maggots, flies, and insects will not come. It is important that the compost that you layer with is dry and fully done, and then of course it's very easy to layer. So hardly any chances of a mishap.
So can we use for this stage for the next day?
No, I wouldn't.
We'll wait for some time. And
Yeah, we'll give it another week or so. Actually, now you can harvest. You will need about one basket full of this thing to do the next layer. Okay, as an experiment, I'm going to suggest her to leave it open now instead of, and see if there are flies or insects. One will leave open, one will close. Because now it is at a stage you can leave it open and it should not attract any unwanted elements. If it does, then we'll know. Actually, a single layer of newspaper. Cover it with a single layer of newspaper. Don't put two layers in both cases. So if you keep the newspaper dry, away from sun, away from rain, you'll be good. No problems. So the only mistake we made in this case was we didn't put a plastic sheet at the bottom, because the moisture which is already there, it finds it very easy to leach down instead of evaporating up. But once you have a say about a foot diameter plastic sheet at the bottom, that leachate will not go down. It will stay collected inside, and over a period of time it will continue to evaporate and your mix will be dry and nice, and it's quite moist. It's very good the way it looks. What we'll do right now is cover this thing with a single layer of newspaper. Initially we put multiple layers to keep it away from maggots and flies and things like that. But now it has reached a point it will not easily attract these black soldier fly maggots. They need a strong smell for them unless they are already around your area. And Anu had been composting in a method which used to attract maggots in the past, not using the smart bin, a different method. And so black soldier flies already know that food is available in this vicinity, and so which is why we put many layers of newspaper. Say I think 2 or 4 layers is what we put initially. No, per
4 sheets of paper.
4 sheets of paper is what we put initially. Now it has reached a stage. I'm sitting here. I'm not getting any smell at all. If I go close to it, I'm getting that moist earth smell. So we'll cover it with a single layer of newspaper this time, just to be sure, so maggots and insects don't come, and we'll leave it for another week or so. But it has reached a stage where you can use it in the garden, not for the, I probably wouldn't recommend using this at this point of time for the layering for the next one. So, but you can use it in the garden for sure. So that's how it will remain. So good luck if you guys are doing it. Thanks for watching.